Yeah guys, peace and love as always. You know the thing go from me to you all over the world, wherever you are. Big up yourself. So I go on guys, everything good out the weather, your side. Nice, cool, breezy day here. Yeah man. Can't complain today, the sun not hot today at all. Yeah man, for real. Show you guys how I go on. Look at it. See what I go on? Yeah man. Nice, cool, windy. So we just the home I go and chilling now guys. I know the thing go. Yeah man. Today we are going to do a Jamaican drops video made from coconut and peanut. Yeah man. Maybe where you are somewhere in the world, I don't know, the Caribbean, Asia, Australia, North America, South America. Maybe you guys do drops all different way. But we Jamaicans, we made it from coconut, almond, we use peanuts, all kind of nuts and grains. You know what I mean? So in this video I'm going to do Jamaican drops made from peanut and coconut. Yeah man. You know the thing already, you know guys. Respect and thanks for all subscribers, all who have been supporting Blazing Fame Adventures. Don't know. Big respect. This thing could never be possible without you guys. I see it. Yeah man. Nah lie guys, the breeze is real nice today. Yeah man, so we'll get into the video now, you know guys. Yeah man, so a few of the ingredients them this, so we are going to use, you know, vanilla essence, sugar, cinnamon, peanut that. I'm going to break a one coconut already, but I feel like I'm going to break another one because the one looks small. You see it. But you know the two main ingredients guys is the peanut and the coconut. So just stay tuned and we'll see what I go on. Watch the process. Yeah man guys, so there you go on. Normal up the coconut them, is it? Get them out of the hooks guys. If you not be careful what you do, you know, your knife cut off here. You know, we're not leaking no blood today, you know. So I take time and do the right thing. For real. Yeah man, so we get them finished up now. I wash them off and start cut them up. You see it? Cut up here now. You know you have to cut them up nicely in small pieces. Yeah man, so you do it like this. And remember while doing it, you know, guys, you have to be careful and mind the knife cut you. Yeah, man. First, if your knife sharp, yeah, you have to just take your time and get the thing done here. See it? Yeah man. So guys, I don't know, as I said, it's a Jamaican coconut drops we are making. Maybe in the Caribbean or anywhere else in the world, you guys get a different name. I don't know it already. It's a good pastry and a good meal substitute. Like, you know, if you don't feel for cook today, you can always grab 2 drops and You know, drink some water. Yeah, man, nice. So we are going to get them cut up as you see, guys. So just stay tuned. And as always, the process is a must. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. You see it? Alright, guys, see what I go on, you know? In a real life.
I don't have time for nobody to stop. Everybody are calling and they're busy. They're busy.
No, I put in too much of it. Yeah, man, guys, so everything in contact, you know. You add some of the peanuts, you know, because we don't use all like. Yeah? Yeah, add in a little essence, them. Vanilla essence, you know. Yeah, man. Cinnamon. Now I go stay night, and as soon as everything boil and done, remove these out of here. But these are just the flavors that we need to get inside of it. You see it, guys? Smell nice already. Yeah, man, it's coming on. So just have to add some water in it, you know. Make it simmer. See it? In real life. So, you know, as soon as the water dry down now, yeah, everything cook. You know, how we this. Yeah, man, guys, no joke right now. So just stay tuned. Yeah, guys, as you know, traditionally, when you have the coconut drops, you know, you have to cut a banana or plantain leaf, the one that doesn't tear. So like how this one tear, you have to try and get one that don't tear. So you normally put the drops on it and let it cool. Traditional way, that's what we do in Jamaica. So I'm here trying to find a nice little one. Yeah, this one look nice. This one look nice. So I could even work with this one too, you know. Yeah, man, I work with this one. I work with this one, guys. See? Yeah, man, for real. So stay tuned and watch the process. See? Yeah, guys, so them thing, you know, spice stick them and thing, we can get them out of the way, you know, because them basically do them job. Can go ahead and get them out of the way. As it prepare up right now for, you know, the final. You know, the final finishing. Coming on, guys. Pretty nice, isn't it? Look at it. And the smell, guys, the aroma. Oh my word. Just gonna give this thing a next minute or two. Yeah, we can take it off and do the necessary. Guys, so the finishing product is, you know. So what I go on, you know. You put it in a little thing like this. And you know, when it dry, the sugar will help to make it stick together. Yeah man guys, this is it. Finishing product. Just need to cool like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah.